Open your web browser and sign into Google Drive. Then click New button. Now you can select the file by choosing File Upload option, and choose the file that you want to upload. Select the file, then click Open button. Once your file is uploaded successfully, then go to More Actions menu by clicking on it. Under the General Access, you will find Restricted. Change it to Anyone with the link option. Then you can click Copy Link button to copy the link. You can share this link with anyone. Once finished, click Done button. To ensure link is working perfectly, open a new tab, then paste the link you copied. This ensures that link you copied is working fine. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more useful contents. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.